Hi there, Jordan here with Chevy of Everett, your Pacific Northwest electric vehicle specialist, and I wanted to give you a quick update on the 2022 Bolt and Bolt EUV. A lot of people are looking into their electric vehicle options with these rising gas prices, and they've noticed that some of the Bolts and the EUVs are falling under a safety recall. The great news here at Chevrolet of Everett is that we have 3 GM certified electric technicians, and we've purchased additional lift equipment to make sure as GM releases those batteries to us, we're getting those recalled remedied as fast as possible. With that being said, our available in-stock inventory does sell almost immediately when that recall is fixed. So if you're wanting to secure one as it waits for its new battery, give us a call here at 425-265-8000. Another question I've been getting is with the release of the 2023 pricing, people have noticed a pretty significant price change. Typically in this industry, that does lead to the previous year model getting a really great cash incentive, and as we get that information, we'd be happy to release it to you. Now, with the 23s coming out, people are weighing their option of waiting on a factory order to come in or waiting for the recall on the 22. The great news about the 2022s is that they're here, so once that recall is finished, they're available to hit the road as soon as possible. So if you want to look into your options, you can reach out to us. Again, our phone number is going to be 425-265-8000. Jordan here with Chevrolet of Everett, looking forward to being your Pacific Northwest electric vehicle specialist.